So here's how we can share good resolution photo on the iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so that way you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So obviously you want to share a picture with someone and you don't want it to be compressed, right? So the best way to do that for the full quality sharing is to use the either iCloud link or the like Google Drive or whatever, this kind of like cloud sharing method. So in reality, it would look like this. You would open up the Google Drive, for example, upload your picture there, and you're going to click on the three dots next to it and click on share or manage access. And you just want to make sure that you set up a sharing link, which means that the person who has access to the link will be able to view the photo. Right, the photo will be uploaded in the full quality, right, and that person will be able to download it in the full quality, right? So I just uploaded the picture fully, in the perfect resolution to the cloud, and that other person can access it and then download it to their device. Usually the issue with the compromission is present in the, like messenger platforms, like if you share over Facebook Messenger, Instagram, even iMessage, that could definitely lower the resolution as well as the quality of the images shared. So that's why you need to kind of like go through this method. So that means that this will probably get the job done. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.